Hello and welcome to the Genius Core IT solution. Today we will discuss about pathology and diagnostic software. Here we will provide a full demo of pathology software. So let's start. We will discuss 3 points. First is master, how to create test and how to create a range, anything which is used in this software as a master. We will discuss first. Then we will discuss how to booking, and then a reporting portion. So let's start. First, here is the login page. We will start by login software. The software is login. This is your dashboard. Your dashboard will show all the information related to your software, like total booking, new patients, all patients, booking amount, collection amount, refund, voucher refund. All of the information which is stored in this software or a pathology software will be shown in this dashboard. So let's start for the master. Here is many option. First we will discuss about masters. So first master is this. There is a software master which can be used like if you want to create a center or a franchisee. Go to center detail, or you can go to using menu or using fast search. Here is many franchisees are open in this software. You can use multiple franchisee. How to create? First of all, the center you have registered is a main center or a franchisee center. You are if you are a sample collection center, then you should yes, or otherwise no. Like if you choose no, it is a franchisee. I'll put here a demo software code and demo pathology. Here is type. There are two types of franchisees. First is prepaid, they will paid and booking, and second one is postpaid. The postpaid is when the franchisees are booking or generating any patient bill, then it will paid first. Let's choose postpaid. There is rate list. This center exists rate list or not. You should select yes. If you want to get a credit limit, you have set here the mobile number and all detail, all the information, and the counter will be start like if first patient coming today, then the number will start at 1001. You should set it according to you, like daily, monthly or yearly, and then say save. The center will create it, or you can say the franchisee will be created at demo pathology. Second one is go to center permission and permit user. Like we have many user in this software. First of all, we can choose a super, because we have login super, and give permission to demo pathology. You have permit here. If you want to check your test detail, go to test detail. Simply type here a test code. If you know what is the test code, like ST10 CBC, You should press OK and the structure will open here. If you want to check the range of this parameter, simply click here, add range, and range will be displayed here. Like 1 day to 1 year, the range is 10 to 50. 1 year to 6 year, the range is 10 to 50. And 7 year to 100 year, the range is 40 to 70. And here we will notify that it is for both male or female. Second one is rate list. How to set the rate list? You can create a multiple rate list using your category. Like if you want to set up a Medicanta rate list, Medicanta is main center and here is rate list. We will copy this all rate list into my new pathology like demo pathology, and copy rate list. There is option, you have to copy this and the rate list will copied. If I will select the demo pathology, the rate list will shown here. You simply change the rate. Just click on the rate and change it according to your expectation. 12,000, 190, it's 500. Simply save it. Sorry, 1200. The rate list will find. Then we will go in patient booking section. Patient booking section will use for, like if you want to booking testing, the age will here 25, center choose demo pathology. Doctors, here is the doctor list. If you want to create a new doctor, then you have to click add doctor. Self, here is simply type pathology name or test name, LFT, using only tag KFT BSF. If you want to change the payment amount by giving by patient, you simply click payment here option. If the amount will less approx 900, then click detail, save button, and they will show the booking will save. You click OK, then the booking will be saved and the print will come out like this. Here we show the 4 tests. Payment mode cash 900, bill amount will be 1900, net amount 1900, paid amount 900, and the balance amount will be 1000. If patient will come tomorrow and paid their remaining, then simply go to receipt. The patient will show if the balance will remain. Simply go to sample collection. If the sample will automatically collected, then there is no list in this section because the sample will automatically collect. We will show you where the sample is collected. Check this and the sample will show here. The testing sample will be collected and the sample number will be generated automatically. Next one is go to reporting. Go to patient workload. Here the demo patient will show, a testing patient, demo pathology, and the four test will be shown here. That time will show here. The TED time will 3 hours 58 minutes because all of these will be filled before 4 hours. Let's fill in the result. Here is the formula applied. The sum of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows is equal to 100. Let's change 40, 20, 60, 65 and 70, 20, 80, 70, 20, 90, 5 and then 5, 0. The formula will be calculated to. Now fill the all report, change the status, print, save. When you will save the result, the reports will show in print section like this. Mr. Testing, UHID and all detail will be shown here. If you save only 3 tests, not 4, because 4 is pending. There is 2 listing. First is pending list, second is filling list. Next one is client report. Here all the reports will shown here. Receptionist will print the report and hand over to patient from here. Here the all reports. If we click any print button, then the report will be printed. This is our pathologies demo. We will also provide an app for the pathologies client. Here is also use multiple billing, multiple center billing or multiple doctors billing, or doctor cut also available here. You should generate the doctor cut by using your software. Mobile app is also available, online and offline mode. Thank you for this